So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to screen long form content before you spend hours of time or make an expensive investment. Have you ever found a video on YouTube that's like an hour long? Let's say this video, for example, how I made 1.2 million selling ebooks step by step. So this video is like 25 minutes long. This video is 8 minutes long, or maybe you search for business opportunities. Here's a video that's an hour long, the simple way to earn $100,000 from zero in 64 minutes. Here's one, how Andy uses webinars to close SaaS deals. This video is an hour long. So the problem is that when you're researching ideas, or for me, when I'm researching ideas, I don't have a lot of time to be watching a lot of videos and spending hours of time and not even knowing if the video is a good fit for me. So this is my exact workflow as to what I do in order to save me a lot of time and to save myself the headache of watching a long hour long video. So I used a software called Content Gorilla. And so first, let's take this video for example, how Andy uses webinars to close SaaS deals. So it's an hour long video. So I would take the URL, copy it, and then I will go into Content Gorilla. This is like a software SaaS product, and what you do next is paste the URL here, and then this software is going to transcribe the video into text. So here's the video, and now you just click create the post, and you can see it's going to take 64 minutes to read it, but we don't have that type of time. So we're just going to click copy, and then we're going to go over here to ChatGPT, and then we're going to paste it into ChatGPT. Now, this is what I love about ChatGPT is that we're going to also give ChatGPT a prompt to summarize it. So we want ChatGPT to tell us the main idea. We want it to tell us the top 10 takeaways. Who is this for? Who should avoid it? Is it for beginners, intermediate, or advanced? And pretty much, is it a good buy? So after that, you can really add like whatever else you want ChatGPT to tell you, like the pros or cons. But pretty much this is going to be the top 10 takeaways, and then you can scroll down and click on more actions, and ChatGPT will actually read it to you.
Main idea. The speaker explains how to sell SaaS or other services using one-to-many webinars instead of one-on-one sales calls. The core.
See, so that's really great. And so Content Gorilla is a really great tool to help with not only transcribing videos, but it also, like, every video is not transcribable. So keep that in mind. So like, for example, this is just like the dashboard, and these are like trending videos that it has. So like, say for instance, you wanted to click on this future, and you wanted to, you know, understand the lyrics of the song. So we create a post, but then you see that it's not available. So the transcriptions on his video is disabled. So that's why not all of you have to keep that in mind. But Content Gorilla is a really powerful tool. It saves a lot of time, and it can really help you make wise investments. If you like this video, or if you want the link to Content Gorilla, just leave a comment and let me know that you liked it, and I can give you the URL. And this is not like a paid promotion or anything like that, but definitely I would highly recommend using it to save time. Thanks for watching. Bye.